Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ARIF ASMAWI. I'm a matrix A2280213. Today I will present about my part, the data description set D. The data given is data Sergei Karsi at 400 reference store. So this is a data set contain the variables as found in the table. So in this assignment, we determine the number of mode mean median using sales, COMPPRICES, income, advertising, population, price and age. Variable category consists of shelf log. We use good, medium and bad. And urban, we use yes, no. In part graphical representation, we use histogram graph and pie chart. And for this study, we will compare whether comprise or price has high influence on sales.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is AMIRAH Binti SATAR. My matric number is A22A0525 and today I will explain about how we choose our sampling data. First, we open our SPSS data. We click on data and then we at the bottom we choose the select cases and it will come up like second picture in the slide, which is we have to choose random sample of cases. We choose exactly 150 from the first 163 cases. Why 163 cases? This is because we use the lowest last two-digit number of our group members, which is Muhammad Arif. As our sample size for this observation, which is 163. Therefore, the numeric is 13. Next, I will explain how we record our categorical data, which is shelf log and urban. By recording variable, you can define custom categories such as survey for variable to use in this observation, thereby simplifying our result. This is how we record our categorical data. First, we click on transform. We choose record into different variable, and then, like the second picture, we will click on change and then do old and new value. It will come up like third picture, and then we put good as 1, medium as 2, and bad as 3, and it will separate it and categorize it. Click continue and we get the new sample. And that's all for me. Thank you.
My name is AFRINA Binti KAHAR. My matric number A22A0720. Today I want to present about my part is 3.0 numerical descriptive measure. 3.1 is measure of central tendency. First is mean. Mean is sum of each observation value divided by the number of observation in a data set. For mean sale is 7.58166667, and for the comprise the mean is 123.166667. Second is median. Median is to define the value in the middle of the data when the data set is being arranged. For median class of sale is 6 to 7.99 and median of sale is 6.3479 for 1176. And then for median class of comprise is 116 to 138 and median of comprise is 120.8790323. And then 3.2 is measure of position. This is the formula for quarter 1, quarter 3, and inter-quarter range. Firstly, the quarter 1 is 5.495 and quarter 3 is 9.71375 and inter-quarter range for sale is 4.21875. And then for the comprise, quarter 1 is 110.73177073 and quarter 3 is 135.1 1089,744, and its quarter range for comprise is 24.3772670C. 3.3 is measure of variation. First is range. Range for cell is 13.75, and for the comprise is 84. And then variance. This is the formula for variance, and variance for cell is 8.35149879, and for the comprise is 294.0861297. And then standard deviation. This is the formula for standard deviation. For cell is 2.8898959998, and for the comprise is 17.14893961.
Hi, my name is Alia Binti Rosidi and my metric number is A22A0217. So next, I'm going to present my part, which is the graphical representation. Here got two histogram graph and two pie chart to explain the data. Firstly, the graph 1 is the histogram graph. Shows that there are charts of sales that we studied based on the 150 data. The total number of data that we review was 150 data. The class numbers are from 0.16 to 15.36. The scale data shows the gap between the other bars. Based on the histogram graph, we could see that the highest sale was at 33. Next is the histogram of comprise. Graph 2. The histogram graph shows that there are charts of comprise that we studied based on the 150 data. The total number of the data we review was 150 data. The class number are from 77 to 167. The scale data shows that the gap between the other bars. Based on the histogram graph, we could see that the highest comprise was at 40 units. As for diagram 1, which is the pie chart, there are two types of urban studied by us, which is yes and no. The value of yes is 97, while the value for no is 53. So as we can see, the value of yes are higher than the no value. For diagram 2, there are three types of quality, namely good, medium, and bad. The value obtained based on studies there are 150 data we have. As seen in the pie chart above, the value of medium has the highest value with a value of 82 units, while the other two quality levels are only a little different for only 3 units. Good quality give a value which is 35 as the second highest. The lowest value of the quality of the different store of taxi cars is 33 units. What can be seen here is that it shows that the medium quality has a lot more than others quality. People should make a good choice to choose a good quality taxi cars.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Binti ASMAWI. My metric number is 822800450. I would like to present 5.0, 5.1.1 Central tendency measurement. Central tendency measurement is a way to describe the regular or average value for a data set. And central tendency measurement has three parameter measurement, namely mean, mode, and medium. Each measurement has a different formula and interpretation. For this part, you can see this table. The mean for sale from SPSS is 7.5353 and the mean for sale is 7.5750, while the mean for comprise is 123.27 and the medium for comprise is 122.00. Next, 5.1.2 graph the distribution of data. First, the shape of the distribution for sale data is normal, and then the shape of the distribution for comprise data is normal. Next, 5.2 hypothesis testing. For this part, we have 5 steps. Step 1, hypothesis. Step 2, significant level. Step 3, test statistic. Step 4, decision rule reject. Step 5, decision or conclusion. 5.3 Correlation Analysis. Based on the correlation data we obtain using SPSS, we measure the relationship between sale and comprise variable. It was found that there is a strong direct relationship between sale and comprise, which is 0.166, significant 0.42, and n equal to 150. 5.4 Confidence Interval. By using SPSS, we obtain confidence interval data for the two variables, which is namely sale and comprise. It was found that the 95% confidence interval for the mean for the variable sale is 8.0013 for the upper bound and 7.0692 for the lower bound. The difference between the upper and lower bound for sale is 0.9321. Next, it was found that the 95% confidence interval for the mean for the comprise variable is 125.82 for the upper bound and 120.72 the lower bound. The difference between the upper and lower bound for comprise is 5.1. For the last part is prediction modeling. In this part, we have model summary, ANOVA, and coefficient. First, model summary. The R-square value is 0.378, which means 3.78% for the variation in sale can be explained by comprise and price. ANOVA. The p-value from the ANOVA table is less than 0.001, which means that at least one of the two variants, comprise and price, can be used to model sale. Last, coefficient. Comprise has a coefficient of 0.102, meaning that while keeping price constant, sale grew by 0.102 unit for every unit increase comprise. Price has a coefficient of negative 0.091, meaning that while comprise remain constant, sale fall by 0.091 unit for every unit increase in price.
So the conclusion from this segment, from 400 observation, we take 150 sample randomly selected for graphical representation, and statistic analysis part we using SPSS software. So next, for statistic method we use for analyze the data is ANOVA, hypothesis testing, correlation, and simple linear. For ANOVA hypothesis testing we use Microsoft Excel, and correlation model summary and confidence interval. So as the result, we conclude that price has a greatest impact on sale than comprise. So that's all for me. Thank you.